Hey everyone, welcome to the Trading for Beginners. In this video, you will learn how you can use investing.com site. So without any further ado, let's get started. Let's click on the Google Chrome. That's the default web browser I'm using right now. You can use your default web browser, and in the web search bar, you can just type in investing.com, which will lead you to the official web page of investing.com. Here you can find the various of options available just below the investing.com and the search bar. And to use the investing.com site, you can just click on the investing.com chart. You can see the financial charts which is available here for the indices, commodities, bonds, stocks and everything. You can also check on the currency chart, interactive currency charts, and you can change the interface of the charts from here. You can zoom in and zoom out to look for the chart, and you can check out the charts in a very different way. And that's how you use investing.com chart. Hopefully this video helped you to use investing.com chart. If that's so, please like the video, subscribe to the channel and set the bell icon to all to never miss any updates. Feedbacks and queries can be dropped in the comment section. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Have a nice day.